Struggling with cluttered shower shelves or bottles slipping and sliding every time you step in? The Aquala bamboo shower caddy offers a smart solution that not only organizes your essentials but also adds a modern touch to your bathroom. With its contemporary style featuring smooth bamboo shelves and bold aluminum accents, it's designed to elevate your shower space while keeping everything within easy reach. What sets Aquala apart is its thoughtful design. It features two large self-draining shelves that easily fit bulky shampoo and conditioner bottles, plus built-in razor holders and hooks for loofahs or washcloths. This means no more juggling multiple products or risking spills on your shower floor. The materials used are just as impressive. Rust-free aluminum combined with durable bamboo resists splitting and cracking, ensuring this caddy stands up to daily use without losing its charm or function. Installation couldn't be simpler. Thanks to its universal mounting hook and strong suction cups, you can set up Aquala in seconds without any tools. The suction cups also provide extra stability, so the caddy stays firmly in place, even in a steamy, wet environment. Plus, every Umbra product, including Aquala, comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. One user summed it up perfectly. The wood is incredibly smooth, the metal components look stainless and sturdy, and the drain holes on the shelves make cleaning a breeze. The clever razor slots and rubber bumpers that prevent slipping add thoughtful touches you won't find in ordinary shower caddies. It's so reliable and attractive that she's buying another one for her daughter's college apartment. If you're ready to upgrade your shower storage with something that combines style, durability, and convenience, Aquala is worth a look. It transforms your daily routine by keeping everything organized and accessible, so you can enjoy a clutter-free, relaxing shower experience. Try it when you're ready and see how this bamboo shower caddy can change your bathroom setup for the better.